Hello, my friends. So, this year, 1/3 of students at IITs did not get a job. This is for the first time ever that this happened. Now, what is happening for the rest 1.5 million engineers across India? You can well imagine. It's not just these freshers, but even people with experience of 8 years, 10 years, 12 years, having worked in even big companies like FANG right now are sitting jobless. So along with it, there's also advent of AI and other low code and no code tools and so many automation driven systems which generate a lot of code that earlier a human being would use to do. So now with this growing gap between the demand of talent and the supply of talent is actually becoming bigger and bigger and bigger with time. So, in this condition, where the market also goes up and down and jobs are created and jobs go, how do companies find the right talent within their budget and also with the right skills and aptitude which fits well for their business goals, and as well for all the people out there looking for jobs? How do you make sure that you are placed stable and firm for a long term success of your career? Okay, while there may be temporary hiccups, but you are stable for the long term. How do you ensure that? So at Godspeed, we want to help bridge this gap between the demand of the kind of skill, talent and budget that companies have, and also the supply that the current education system in India is giving. Now, in order to bridge this gap and to ensure that you have a long-term stable success in your career, what you need is three things. Number one, of course, you need hard skills. And hard skills don't mean MERN stack. I know MERN, I know Java, I know Spring Boot, and that's enough. No, sir. Stop living in a dream world. All of that can be generated by GPT now. If you know only MERN, you are replaceable. Okay? You need to be strong in fundamentals of engineering. You need to be strong in fundamentals of how modern distributed systems are built. What are the best practices that you bring into your solutions that you build? And you should be able to solve really complex problems of the world in the most simple manner possible, which means also the ability to grasp complex problems, come out with simple solutions to complex problems and implement them, where you could even use AI or low-code tool, no-code tool or meta frameworks like Godspeed as well. So number one, you need these hard skills, means being strong on fundamentals of engineering, which nobody talks about. For example, schema-driven development, single source of truth, reusability, configure over code, right? Security, such kind of best practices that are followed in engineering. That's number one. Number two, you need those right soft skills. In soft skills, we also include your aptitude. Soft skills are equally or even more important for your long-term success. Why? Because soft skills help you work in a team. They help you adjust to new working conditions, meet new people and get deliveries done with new people that you meet, adjust in ever-changing environments, handle stress of working day in and day out. So you need those soft skills, the right attitude to maintain your well-being and be very positive, net positive contributor to your team in your career. Number three, what you need is also your brand. Your brand, what it means, that your presence online, how do people recognize you and know you? They should know what you know. They should know what you have done. You should be more than just a resume in a PDF file. You should have a LinkedIn presence, a Twitter presence. You should have a display of projects on your GitHub, and people should feel you are a subject matter authority in your area. That's the number third thing. So my friends, in order to get all of this, in order to succeed in your career, you need to have a 10x vision of your life, a 10x vision of your career, and a 10x vision of engineering. What is it that makes a 10x engineer? Okay, and if you become a 10x engineer with your soft skills and your attitude, then you will shine throughout your career and you will have a good life.